This is a Deco LED flush mount in brushed gold. Has 50,000 hours of lifespan, 15 watts. It's dimmable. It uses 75% less energy than iridescent lighting. Open it up. Full installation instructions. It's all fairly simple. Show some of their other products they make. It's packaged well. Nice brushed gold finish. Extra styrofoam and plastic wrapping to show that it comes to you nice and safe. You can see here's the LED inside of this housing. Nice thick metal. A good finish on it. I didn't have that locked in place, and I guess you can unlock this by just twisting it side to side. And this is actually some sort of glass. The one I am replacing it with is a cheaper plastic model. So let's go ahead and install it.
So I went ahead and installed it in this stairwell hallway, and I love how it turned out. It has a great finish, and in a otherwise bland space, it adds a little color and gives off great light when the light is shining. The designs on the side kind of illuminate to give it a little bit more character and depth, and it was just a space that I didn't really know what to do with, and I feel like it fits in there very well. And I am very satisfied with this light. It's very high quality. The plating is good. The design is meets my aesthetic, and it really just brightened up this space and replaced an old light, which was not as pleasing to look at as well. There's good value for this product, and I highly recommend it. I hope this video helps you with your buying experience.